up, guys? So today I'm doing this look. It's basically an homage to Eve Frazier on Instagram because she's the most beautiful person I've ever seen on Instagram. She's like cute little artsy girl. She's an artist. She has a portrait of Timothée Chalamet that is so beautiful. She's talented, pretty, funny. I don't know. She's Scottish, which cute. I love her, and I've been following her Instagram for a while, and I've seen this trend where the cute girls just put on a lot of blush and have freckles and look like pouty girls, and I love that look, and I wish I could look like this naturally. I want to be her. I love her, follow her, buy her art. So I just did this look. I've got fake freckles. I was gonna put on an outfit, but that's a lot of work. Got my clips in, got my ironic Jesus earrings. So yeah, if you want to see this recreation, I'll put in some pictures of Eve. Do we look the same? No. Make sure you like and subscribe, follow me on social media, all that fun stuff. Okay, enjoy. Like always, I'm starting with my moisturizer, Neutrogena Hydro Boost. A little goes a long way. Just massage it into the skin. Okay, so since this look is natural and it doesn't look like a full face, it's pretty girl things. This look was made for a pretty girl, so can't relate. Let's start with primer. First we're gonna start with the Kiko Bright Lift Serum. I just put this on every day. It's really just MAC strobe cream, but different. I love the strobe cream, but this does the same exact thing, and it was on sale when I bought it, so. Can you tell I didn't sleep last night? I'm gonna use the NYX Pore Filler Primer. Once again, you can see how gross it is. The reason all my makeup is icky is because when I'm at school or I'm at home, usually I have big old makeup drawers that hold all my makeup, but since I was in London and since the drawers are in New York since June, I've had to keep all my makeup in a makeup bag. So I just have 3 or 4 makeup bags with the makeup that I deem essential or makeup that I've bought since then. So it's all just lingering in this bag, and sometimes things spill, or sometimes, I don't know, a dirty brush is in there. We're gonna do the eyebrows now because last time I did eyebrows after foundation, I was fucked. Okay, so I learned from last night, don't try and perfect it. If it's not perfect, they can be cousins. I don't care, they don't even be sisters. Next, I'm doing foundation. This is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. I'm in the shade 128 Y415. I'm just gonna blend it out. Usually when I wear foundation, I just put it under the eyes like concealer and over my eyelids to even out a base. Bring it down the neck, normal stuff. Now we're just gonna go in with some concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal, everyone's old favorite. Oh yeah. Put a little under the eyes, around the nose, and just blend it out. So I am gonna set this, but I never really set my foundation or anything, so I don't use powder often. And I had this, so this is the Kat Von D Shade and Light. We don't support Kat Von D in this household, in my household, but I had this already, so I'm too poor to buy a new one. I just use the Milk Shade, press it in on top of the eyelids. I just like to set the concealer. Now we're going into bronzer slash contour. I had avocado toast for lunch, and honestly, that slapped. That bitch hit different. I just mashed up an avocado, put it on some toast, topped it with a little Parmesan. This is an iced coffee with oat milk, and I made it with the Trader Joe's cold brew concentrate. 10 out of 10 recommend. I love it. You don't need to put hot coffee in the fridge for an hour. You just go right in, mix it with your oat milk and water. Oat milk's the best milk substitute. Now we're gonna do blush. Okay, so this is my blush brush. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. blush. It's called Always Rosy. Right on the apples of the cheeks. Like, imagine if you're a girl in a fanfiction and Harry Styles just told you you were pretty. You blushing. You really just want the rosy look. And now for the nose bit, you can do a little on the tip, and then a little on the bridge. Okay, so we're gonna go straight into eyeshadow because we're using the Malicious eyeshadow, shocker. I love doing this, I just think it ties the whole look together. Bring it up in the crease. And I'm just gonna take a little under the eye. I could add more to the eye, but honestly, I don't want to. On my highlight, so I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter ever. It's the Fenty Mean Money Hustler Baby. Ready? You wanna see it? This color means everything to me. Just mix them together like this. Cheekbone. Nose. Cupid's bow. Okay, time for eyeliner, which is scary. I use the Fenty Flyliner. I think it's the best eyeliner I've ever used. It's not awful. So I just say when you're like trying to recreate a look, stick to the eyeliner shape that looks good on you. Because if not, you're just gonna look like a hot mess. Like full on cat eyes look awful on me. So I just do like a straight line. Okay, that's as good as that's gonna get. So now, inner corner highlight is my favorite thing in the entire world. It's my favorite part of my makeup. Usually I do like glitter. Like I'll put glitter glue down and just put straight up glitter on there. But today I'm gonna go into the Anastasia Glow Kit. This one, the Sun Dipped. Beautiful. And I'm gonna go in with Summer. Mix it with Moonstone. Pop it right on the corner. It's gonna put on some mascara. Usually I would put falsies on, but I've realized that I don't have any. This is the makeup bag I use, the main one. Okay, for lipstick, we're gonna use the Urban Decay Lo-Fi Lip Mousse. I actually really like these. This is the only one I can find right now. Also gross, just on the finger and like blot it in. Wow, my eyeliner is really uneven. And then on top of that, I'm putting the Cherry Glossier Palm.com just to give it more of a pink tint and a little bit of a shine. She juicy. I'm sorry if you didn't like this video. I tried. This was my second attempt at filming this. Okay, now we're gonna do faux freckles. So you only get one chance at this. Pray for me. I'll show you what I do for my faux freckles because I don't just like go in with a eyebrow pencil and poke them on. I learned this from Desi Perkins and I've used it, like I used it when I did makeup on photo shoots. I love this method. It's beautiful, and I think a pivotal part of this look is the freckles. Freckles are so beautiful. I'm so sad I don't have any. Like, I have these beauty marks almost. Like, they're just on my skin. I hate them. There's one on my chin. I hate them. It's fine, whatever. So what we're gonna do is go into the Modern Renaissance palette, and I use the shade Cypress Umber, and then I take the brush that came with the Naked palettes back in the old days, spray down the brush, and then you on Cypress Umber, and then you just flick it. So I'm gonna cover the mouth area because I don't like the freckles there, but alright, it needs to be a little wetter. Your finger will get icky. I think I'm gonna just like dip this in water, get it nice and wet, and just that's what they look like. Small. They look pretty natural. Then you let them dry, and then I do go in with just like a regular brow pencil, and I just boop onto ones I think could be darker. Okay, they're drying, You look cute. I like that they're like dispersed all around. It definitely gives it more of a natural look. And then once they're dry, go in with your powder and then just press. Try not to smudge them. And there you go. That's it for the makeup. Okay, 2 seconds. Alright guys, this is the final look. I love it. I think this is as close as I'll get to ever being Eve. Like I said, go follow her because she's my inspiration and everything. Follow me, 1998_ABS. Like this video, subscribe, share it, all that fun stuff. Thank you for watching. I hope you had a good time. I hope you recreate this look because honestly, like, it's not that hard and it's adorable. That's it though.
That was my triple collateral on free-for-all.
Ignore how uneven my eyeliner